What's up, guys? Thanks for checking out this special video. There are so many ways to make money online, thousands of ways. But in this video, I will show you my most favorite and efficient method to make money online. Are you ready?
Affiliate marketing. How to get started in 6 easy steps. Affiliate marketing is an easy-to-start online business. It is really easy to start but requires hard work to become successful. In this article you will learn the 6 basic steps that are required to enter in this business. The steps are brief and quite simple. You must follow these steps in order to become successful, otherwise you would not get the desired results. 1. Choose a market. Why to choose a market instead of product? The reason is quite clear that you would like to put more products in your pipeline. You have to choose a market which suits you. You must obtain detailed information about it. 2. Choose a product. When you have chosen a specific market, it is now time to select a product. You will definitely want to add all of the products at the beginning, but it is advised not to do this in the start. If you choose too many products in the beginning, you will not be able to focus. Your attention will be diverted to different products. So it is better to choose one product to get best out of it. When you have started getting the sales you desire, then you can add more products. 3. Build an autoresponder series. After you start your business, you must create a follow-up series, which is also called an autoresponder series. This series must have the information about your product. There you can add content about your product. If you are selling golf clubs, you can build a series having some basic information about them. There you can tell your visitors how they can purchase golf clubs. You can also add some advantages or the profiles of some major golfers in the world. You should try to be more and more creative. It is observed that during the first few months affiliates do not get reasonable sales. But after 6 months, they expect to gain much better sales. 4. Build a page to capture emails. Create a page in your website where you will capture information about your prospects so you can send them your follow-up series. If you are building a business, having your own website is a necessity. This website will be needed to show your affiliate products to the website visitors. You will grab the visitors' emails to promote your email campaigns. 5. Use traffic generation techniques. Once your website is up, use some traffic generation techniques. After applying the traffic generation techniques, you should wait for some time to get the results. Try different techniques and see what gets you the best results. Then on the basis of your experience, continue with the technique that shows best results. 6. Find additional related products. Once you have started to make a good and reliable income with a single product, then you should add some new products to your products list. But you must carefully select new products to put them in the list. Always start with a single, hot and demanding product to gain good results. Concentrate on this single product. Make your website to display the product and capture the email addresses of visitors. Use these email addresses and your website to start a powerful advertisement campaign. Use the techniques to drive maximum traffic to your website. Once you have started earning with a single product, add more products and repeat the process.
Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to sign up at the link below in order to receive my special report for free.